Hello and welcome back to the Rough Tools channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in, and I'm Sam. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 36 volt Makita cordless lawnmower. And if you're anything like me, you've already got a fair number of Makita tools kicking around the van and in the workshop. So for me, this was the logical step to get rid of my corded lawnmower, especially now we're into summer. So I've just mowed my front and rear garden using my new Makita DLM460. It's great. I've still got 2 out of 3 bars on my 5 amp hour batteries, which I can prove here. In this case 3 out of 4 on the back of the batteries. The level set, very easy to use. Scale of 1 to 10, between 20 and 75 millimeters in height. Bag comes on and off very, very simply, like so. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier, it has a mulching capability. That's this little device which simply slots into the back. Fits in. And no need to put the bag on the back, because it just chucks it straight back out underneath. Edge cutting, as you saw in the video, pretty good, but could be better, but I guess it's got quite a deep nose for the wheelbase. What else is there really? It's a lawnmower. Not much more to say really. It is however heavier than I expected, but it is metal rather than plastic, so longevity should be very good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.